Hi, hello, how's it going, friends? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Oh, my camera went blur. Let it be focus. Hi, so you're there. Hi, friends. So hope everyone's doing good. So sorry I paused this first couple of days or couple of months I think. Well, because I couldn't post because I was. Well, let's not talk about why I couldn't post. Let's not make this video content boring because I don't want to give any excuses. And rather, let's just talk about the video content. And like as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be cutting my hair by my own. Oh my god, seriously? Yes. Well, I'm no expert at this. I have never ever done this thing before. In fact, I never had a thought on this that I could cut my hair by my own, but this COVID-19 making me do this because freak, my hair length has grown here. I don't know if you can see, like it's on my thigh, here on my thigh, and which is not what I usually keep and like to style. So I thought why not to cut it and let's see how it works and all that. So let's do it. Alright, so like as you can tell, I have middle parted my hair already into two equal sections. I just tried to make my hairline straight, like as much as I could. I did it offline because, like as I told you, like as you can see here, I have got long hair and I got to do it offline. I don't know what to say, but yeah, let's just do it. Okay, so God, I'm laughing. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Okay, so I have brushed it off already and did it again. So I'm going to tie my hair because like I have watched a couple of videos and I saw them doing the same thing, like they tie their hair at some lengths, at some inches, like 1, 2 or 3 times depending on their hair length. So I'll be doing the same thing. I'm going to be tying my hair like I have decided that I'll be tying my hair one here, then one hair at this length will be good enough, and next I think I'll be making at my belly button, like here. And I was thinking while making my hairline, I don't know what you call this, that I'll be cutting this much, like at the first time. Let's see, if this goes well or if I'm satisfied with that, then I won't cut anything more. So okay, so we are good to move on the other side now, and I'll be repeating the same thing on the other side. I feel so nervous, like okay. I don't know what to do next. So I was thinking, like I want to keep my hair length at my belly button here, and the rest I will be cut off. Listen, I know if I cut my hair, it's not going to look even because I'm cutting it by my own. So, and yeah, I don't care if it does not look even because nothing is even or perfect in life. It is us, I think, that we need to accept things as even and perfect, and it is when everything becomes perfect and evenly matched. Yeah, is that a thing? Whatsoever, I have decided, so I made my mind, so let's do this, right? And okay, I'll be using this scissor. I recently bought this scissor. I have no idea how to use this, but man, I got to do this. I don't know what people does at this point. I don't know how it works, this thing, because I find myself good enough to hold my fingers through the loop, scissor loop. That's okay. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do this. Seriously, oh my god. Okay, let me cross check again what length I want to keep my hair at. Okay. Oh my god. Well, usually I never cut my hair short. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Let me tell you very clearly, I'm not going to do anything crazy because I love my long hair. I never had short hair in my entire life, and I'll be cutting a bit, just a bit, like as much as I have marked down and told you. So okay, I think so I just made my hands on 2 more elastic bands, because if I cut my hair, I don't want to drop them on the floor. Okay. I feel so nervous, but I got to do this. I feel nervous. I feel so nervous. So, like as I said, I'm not going to be doing anything crazy. I'm just going to cut it at this point and want to keep it at my belly button. And if that looks fine, so I'll be keeping that, unless if I need to cut more, then I will think. First I need to do at this point belly point. Okay, like this point. So I'm going to cut it from this at this point, and then okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh man, I got to do this. Oh my god. Boy, you sure? Yeah, I have to do this because I have to cut my hair. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I'm just stretching it. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Okay. If I cut it here at my belly button, that will look good. The length is okay. If I think that will come short, that will grow again, and I'll be okay, right? I'll be okay. Yeah, I'll be okay. So let's do this. And I'm going to cut it. Okay. I don't know how to cut it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm doing this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this sound. Oh my god, hopefully I'm not making it too short. What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just did it. Seriously. Oh my god. Okay, so we are back. I'm good now to cut it on the other side. Let's finish it off, and then I will be giving a finishing touch, because see how it come out. Like, I don't know if you can see. Okay, let's just finish it off. Oh my god. Look at this too. Oh my god. So cute. My god. I will, make a frame with them, these two pieces, and I will hold it on my wall. I don't know. Or I can make earrings from. Let's just give some finishing touch. Then I will untie it. My hands are shaking. Oh my god, my hands are shaking literally. Okay, so we are good to untie my hair. So let's just untie and see the length or how it looks. If I like it. Good. Okay. Oh, does the length looks? I don't know. I think the length is good. I don't care how it looks, but I'm very concerned about the look. I mean length. Does it look too short? I don't know. Let me untie the other side. This is how it looks. Wow, it looks really even at the front side. I like it. I mean, if you talk about the cutting, I mean, yeah, I like it. It looks really even. And let me show you at the back side how it looks. I really like it. I think length looks good. The hair cutting doesn't look that bad. I mean, no way, it looks really nice. Wow, seriously? Oh, I feel good. So, like as you can see, this is how it looks, and I like it. I don't know, but at the moment I can say that yeah, I like it. And so if you have made it here, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you found some inspirations. I don't know, hopefully you liked it and enjoyed cutting my hair tutorial. And if you did, please be sure to subscribe my channel, click the notification bell icon to get notified on my new posts. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what kind of hair tutorial you would like me filming. Like should I share what I use for my hair or hair care video, or what products I use for my hair and all kind of videos. Let me know if you would like me film on something like that. And if you do, I mean, yeah, let me know in the comment section if you like me filming those type of videos. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully you have enjoyed, and again, please subscribe my channel, and let's just make this long hair girls channel grow. And I talk to you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you Tuesday. Bye. I don't know where we go.